Akakiiko aka katandikire nyemu abazi omuri Fort Portal kandi karagire gavumenti okushashura Rukara Johnson kuruga mu district ya Kasese habwo kwitwa ko mutabani wabere namanywa nka Muhindo Asaph Oyet. Oyet wabere ari umusirikare wa UPDF aharanga ya private nikigambwa ngu akaterwa amasasi abasirikare bagenzi be ababere nibagezaho kumukwata bwa nyuma yo kutoroka omukihome ahankambi ya Maheya Hima nyakufa akaba kwasura habiri kugamba ngu akeyete cyatari ubwo ari kujwara ebijwaro by'amabare agenyote murengireho.
The explanation that Oyet was suspected to be possibly armed with a firearm is not convincing. Is not a convincing one. At the time he escaped, Oyet had been under confinement in a cell in Hima barracks. There are no weapons in cells and other places of detention.
Inshara mweje kozulekano retired Stephen Basariza or commissioner hakakiiko aka.
The soldiers aimed in the direction of their colleague and shot him at once. No wonder he suffered so many bullet wounds on his body. The action of Private Yahinda Zacharias and Private Mande Sowedi were arbitrary, wanton, deliberate, intentional, arrogant, reckless, and criminal.
Koti ni yemwe honagarice yaragira government kushashura obukade 50 ahari umuhesi Sylvester biduka wayirukangiriro mukakiiko aka bwa nyuma yo kwitwa ko murumuna bwambare muhesi omutura wa mukererwa mu district ya Bundi Bujo ogu nawe akaterwa amasasi omwaka gw'2007 bwa rukorashwa ba UPDF ebihandiko nibyoreka ngunyakufa akaterwa amasasi mu kifuba obari mu makage omisho go mutabane w'emyaka 9 y'obukuru.
Wherefore we find on balance of probabilities that SPC Sagoswa unlawfully caused the death of Wambale Muhesi. This amounted to violation of Wambale Muhesi's right to life. At all the material time, SPC Sagoswa was acting in the course of his employment and as a servant of the state.
Konga koti ni yemwe binjiro rubanja rwo mupolisi Bosco Twinowitu owayirukangiriro mukakiiko aka kwababera bakamabe kuba bamwimiraho kurara okumushashura umushahara gwe otiriho no kumwikereza ngo ahumure kurwo mupolisi.
The particulars of his alleged beating were not clearly presented before the tribunal. His testimony before the tribunal departed from his story in the complaint letter, an indication that he is a liar.
Maria Muwangadia yashoneza Twinowitu nko mwana osisikire orukugumana ateganisa abagenzi be bacumurwanisa akatero rwari gasha kwa Jonathan Singwire.